From Puran mythological details, the goddess Jogutta is worshipped at Khirgram on Boishakhi Sankranti, and a big fair is organized. From here, a single bath, we can purify ourselves. And the Khirgram is Shotipit and is famous for its Jogutta and Shiva temples. It is said that a piece of the large toe of the right leg of Shoti fell at Khirgram, and it is considered one of the 51 Shaktipit. So request everybody, come and enjoy. And this is the best place for everybody.
See, right now I'm here where I'm taking the bath, and see you just come with your mental preparation, and it will best for you to stay here. And the next one, that the very close from here, the another three Shotipit. So request all my viewers, come and enjoy Shotipit.
Khirogram Gram Panchayat. It is situated under East Bardwan. It is Vidhan Sabha constituency Mangalkot and Lok Sabha constituency Bolpur, but district Bardwan. It is situated East Bardwan and well communication from any metro city in India. From bus stand 5 km distance, Khirogram. And the Khirogram, the goddess is known as Jogotha, and here Lord Shiva is known as Khirokanta. Now I am coming to tell you how to stay here. And as it is the far from the main Calcutta, either Bardwan railway station, so you can stay here. And the guest house, two types of guest house available here, the 600 rupees per night and 800 rupees AC guest house. And next one, the prasada. It's very nice, delicious prasad, and it's 40 rupees per day, and distribution start afternoon 12:45. And next one, I'm coming to tell you that the Boishakhi Sankranti, the pilgrims are coming large scale. So during the 12 months you can come anytime, and before coming you can contact. Either those are the aged and senior citizen, those are unable to, no one can guide you. So if you don't get anyone to help you, so we have such an arrangement to arrange. We always arrange a trip for the senior citizens. You can contact with us. If you are single, if you are interested to night stay here, you can contact. And next one, right now this, as it is the countryside rapidly developing, so you will not face any problem. If you want to come by train, come down Bardwan railway station, and from Bardwan railway station you can get a private bus, and next you come down Nirol bus stop. By Toto you can reach Jogotha temple. From Nirol bus stop to temple 6 km distance. From Puran, Sanskrit slok, very popular, Bhutadhatri Mahamaya Bhairava Khirakantako Jogodhasha Mahadevi Dakkhangusto Padomam. This Sanskrit slok, it is considered one of the 51 Shaktipit at Khirogram, where we get a proof that a piece of the large toe of the right leg of Shoti fell at Khirogram. From here, those want to enjoy the spiritual life, for them temple area is the best place where you will enjoy more and where you can get and purify yourself. So request everybody, come and visit, enjoy yourself in spiritual place. If you are single, we can pick up from your home. We give doorstep service. You don't worry, follow our video. If you are single, you can participate. We arrange tour regular basis for senior citizens, and those are physically unable to move one to another place, they also can come if you contact. Those are physically not well but mentally strong, and you have a desire to visit the spiritual place and want to stay in spiritual places, you may contact. and I'm sure that you will get a best place in your life if you overcome from your material life, if you come out from your material life, and from your, if you think that you are burden to your family members, then it will be best for you if you choose best places in India. The Shaktipit is the best to all. You don't hesitate, you just pick up your phone and call me. I am ready to receive your call. I am ready to receive from your home and ready to visit number of Shaktipits in all India. Be ready, call me. If you want to avoid noisy place, this will be best for you. And next one, the temple area. If you want to get a best quality hospitality, individual care, you try to come during the year, but always try to avoid the festival time, the crowded place it will be, and the huge gathering. So the temple authority, they will not take care, individual care you will not get it. So next one, that the during the year, the out of the festival time, and you will get a best peaceful place, the very well pollutionless, no water pollution, no air pollution, even sound pollution. So it will be the best place to you. This red colored temple where regular basis pilgrims are offering their pujas, and behind this temple the big pond where the large size fish, you will surprise. See, I should clear here one thing, that the Matsya is called in Sanskrit one of the 10 avatars, and Hindu cultures the water and sacred fish worship here from ancient age, and regular pilgrims offering papayas and biscuits. So if you are interested to come here, you can get chance to offer papayas and biscuits, and you will enjoy sure. And next one, that the mythology recall you here. If you see that the Lord Vishnu take Matsya avatar, that example you will see here. And next one, the surrounding of the temple very peaceful, and it's very large area. Here the two ponds, one is nearest behind the temple, main temple, another one is a walking distance from here 5 minutes, where another one big pond where also the same size of fish as temple area, very beautiful scenic beauty. So video very lengthy, it can be boring to you. And last of all, I request everybody, share my video, subscribe my channel to get next video. Thank you everybody, enjoy yourself, try to visit Jagodha temple once at least. Thank you everybody.